Assalamualaikum grade 7. This is your lecture of Oxford Progressive English. We are studying unit number 7, water. Today we are going to study our second last chapter, chapter 7, blessing. Open your books at page 191. Students, a blessing is a poem. It is a very small but a very beautiful poem. The poet presents his view about the basic necessity of life, that is water. The poet explains that what happens when there is lack of water. So the poet describes the condition of the people who suffer the lack of water, and they have to wait for the coincidences like rain, burst pipes of water to get water. Let's study the summary of this poem. Summary. In this fantabulous poem, the poet talks about the blessing of water. When there is lack of water, the skin is cracked. Suddenly a municipal pipe bursts out and water flows on the ground. Soon a lot of people appear with buckets of every type in their hands to get water. The naked children also begin to scream to see water. So the breaking of a municipal pipe is proved a blessing for the people who have to wait for these blessings. So in this poem, the poet describes the helplessness of the people who have to wait to get the simple blessings of life. Let's now move towards the words meanings of this poem. Words meanings. Number 1, pod, shell. Number 2, drip, to let a small amount out. Number 3, congregation, gathering. Number 4, fronting, wild. Number 5, splash, the act of scattering water. Number 6, echo, ringing. Number 7, roar, loud noise. Number 8, flashing, gleaming. Friends, now we are going to study reading for interpretation of this poem. So open your books at page 191. We are going to solve all these 5 questions of reading for interpretation. Open your notebooks and start to write. Reading for interpretation. Question 1. What does the simile in the first line suggest to you? Answer. The simile suggests extreme heat and lack of water. Question 2. Why is it appropriate to describe the sound of water as the voice of a kindly God? How does the last section and the title of the poem develop this idea of a kindly God? Answer. Like the voice of a kindly God, the sound of water breathes life into people. As a kindly God blesses people, water also becomes a blessing for them. Question 3. In the third section, who does the poet through his choice of words suggest that water is highly prized and valuable? Why do you think these people value the water so highly? Answer. The poet compares water with rush of fortune and then with silver. By using words showing the needs and effects of water, the poet shows its value. These people value water so highly because they never have enough of it. Question 4. In the same section, how does he suggest the excitement and urgency of the people to get to the water? Answer. The poet suggests the excitement and urgency of the people in the way they rush to get water with boats of all types. Question 5. Describe the scene in the last section. How does it make you feel? Answer. In the last section, naked children drenched in water are shown enjoying in the sudden blessing of a burst pipe of water. This scene makes us glad, but at the same time, we also feel sad for the people who have to wait for such coincidences for something as essential as water. So friends, you will write all these question answers in your notebooks and learn them. Allah Hafiz.